My students, in this video, we will discuss about the important points in connection with the retirement of judges. Can anyone guess what is the age of retirement of judges of Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court? And what do you think? Do all these judges retire on the same age? Let's discuss. Okay. Actually, 65 is the retirement age for the judges of Supreme Court, and 62 is the retirement age of High Court judges. And what would be the retirement age of district judges? Actually, district judges' retirement will decide by the state government, and it would be as per the state government service rules. So I think there is no any more confusion in the age of retirement of different judges. Now, in the same context, we will discuss about one more report, that is Venkatachaliah report, and it provides some extra points in this contest. And it's a commission. It's a national commission to review the working of the constitution, and it's set up in 2000, and the chairman was Justice M.N. Venkatachaliah, and this commission submitted its report in 2002, and it recommended for increasing the age of judges. This commission recommended to increase the age of Supreme Court judges from 65 to 68, and for the High Court judges, presently it is 62. So, but the commission recommended it to increase from 62 to 65. And in connection with this age of retirement, we will discuss one more point, that is 114th Amendment Bill. This bill passed on 2010, and this bill also recommended to increase the age of retirement. Similar as the Venkatachaliah Commission report, this present amendment bill, that is 114th Amendment Bill, also recommended an increase in the retirement of age, and it's same as Supreme Court judges from 65 to 68, and for High Court judges from 62 to 65. But the fact is that nothing happened, and this bill got lapsed, and no any discussion has been done on this parliament, because 15th Lok Sabha lapsed its term, and the bill also got lapsed. Students, now we will discuss what is the retirement age of judges in the Western democracies. Can a judge remain in service till his end of lifetime? What do you think? Well, in countries like US, Australia, and Greece, judges are appointed for their lifetime in the string, right? Well, in countries like Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Ireland, Norway, and Australia, in all these Western democracies, the retirement age of judges is 70. I said it correct, it's 70. So I'm sure you people will have different opinion on it, but this is a fact about the some of the Western democracies. So definitely there arises questions why it is still 65 and 62 in India, being a large populated democracy. We will discuss in detail afterwards, okay? So now we will discuss why we demanding a rise in the age of retirement age of judges, both in the case of Supreme Court and High Court. What could be the rationale behind it? Okay, we know that India is the most populous country from June to 2023, and it's the world's most populous democracy. But this is a fact that the judge population ratio, I repeat, the judge population ratio is the lowest in the world. What would be the consequences of this lowest judge population ratio? Yes, of course, pending cases will increase day by day, right? Okay, so students, I have to discuss one more point. Do you know that we have legislation in this country through which we can appoint these retired judges as a chairman of different tribunals? And do you know that being a chairman of these tribunals, they could hold the office till they attain the age of 70. Then why do they retire from High Court and Supreme Court so early? It's a matter to be discussed, right? And what's your opinion? Like the early age of retirement for judges, does you think you people think that it affects the quality of judicial service? Well, there is one more important fact that most of the senior lawyers, those with handful experiences and expert in specified areas, are not at all ready to become judges. Why? Because of this early retirement age. So in conclusion part, we will discuss. So do you think that there is no any positive consequences at all? Not at all, right? Why? Because we have many senior judges in our judgeship and they have handful years of experiences. And so definitely we can say that our judgeship is a pool of strong, talented, experienced judges. And at the same time, we have no restrictions to appoint new judges. And we can do this without replacing existing judges. So we cannot conclude that there is no any positive consequences at the present retirement age, but it's a common opinion that we should increase the retirement age of both Supreme Court judges and High Court judges, and this matter to be discussed by the legislature and the judiciary and to sort out these things in future. Hope this matter will sort out in future.